Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. And today's question is discuss the casual organism, symptoms and management of Tungro disease of rice. So this was asked in last year's agriculture optional paper of UPSC Civil Services examination, that is in 2024. So we will see how we can approach this answer. And when it's come to diseases, so all the important diseases of the all important crops should be known to you, especially rice. We all know that rice, wheat, maize, these are all of the important crops in India. We should see that some of the diseases of millets. We should see in paper 2, we should see the diseases of horticultural plants also, because that is also asked several times. So by seeing the PYQs, you will get an idea of which are the important crops and prepare the disease of that 10-15 important crops, and every crop has 3-4 important diseases. So actually the difference is of casual organism. The casual organisms will be different, and you will see a common pattern in symptoms and management. Suppose one chemical is used for one fungal disease, obviously that chemical can be used for that fungal disease also. So symptoms and management will be common. What you should do, you should make a 2-3 symptoms of various bacterial disease, fungal disease, viral diseases, and that will be common in all the crops with some addition. So remembering all the crops diseases is very difficult. So what I will suggest you to do that common thing. Symptoms and management are various, very diseases are common, so trace that thing and remember the casual organism only of the diseases. So through this you can prepare a lot of diseases in just making notes of 10-15 pages. So that what I will suggest. So now let's start how we can approach this answer. So Tungro disease is in rice, so we all know it is a very important disease in rice. So let's start. So in introduction part, you can write about some disease of rice, or you can show how much wastage is there due to disease in rice. As per various reports, it is seen that 20-25% loss in rice yield due to various diseases, which is sometimes more. Suppose there is Tungro disease, if it is highly affected, it can lead to loss of at least 50% of yield sometimes also. So these are the things which you can add in introduction. So not that a broad introduction is needed here, just 1-2 lines, that will be enough. Now let's move to the question. So first of all, we have to discuss about casual organism. Casual organism of Tungro disease. So generally, Tungro disease is caused by two types of virus. Okay, first virus is the rice Tungro vacilliform virus. Rice Tungro vacilliform VACILI vacilliform virus. And second one is the rice Tungro spherical virus. Rice Tungro spherical virus. So these two are the viruses which are leading to Tungro disease. But the problem is not about the viruses. The problem is here about the host which, or you can say the vector of these viruses, which is highly present in rice soil. That is the green leaf hopper. So it is the vector of this Tungro viruses. Okay, and especially if you the green leaf hopper, there is a scientific name on it, is a species subspecies of green hopper only, Nephotetics variscens. Variscens. So this is VIRESCENS, Nephotetics variscens. So although remembering these names are difficult, but still remember that a distant species of a green hopper is only causing the Tungro virus, because these are the it is the vector of these Tungro viruses. So this was about casual organisms. So during our role, although we will control the viruses, but one of our management strategies will be to control this green leaf hopper, because this is what has this vector, acts as a vector and create and causes this disease. So this is what we have to keep in mind. Now let's move to the symptoms. What are the symptoms which can be seen in Tungro disease in rice plant? So first of all, we will see that all the plants affected by Tungro exhibit stunting and reduced yielding. Stunting and reduced yielding can be shown. If you observe the leaves will become yellow to orange yellow. Leaves will become yellow to orange yellow. And you will also see some rust colored spots there in the leaf. Rust colored spots, such as if you have seen the iron rusting color, so that will be the spots. If suppose this is leaf, so you will see this type of rust colored spots and the leaf will become yellow to orange yellow. So this is another symptoms. And you will see that the discoloration of leaves, because it is changing from green to yellow, so you will see that the discoloration begins from leaf tip and extends down the blade. Okay, discoloration from leaf tips to down. So if you have observed rice leaves, so in the field they you will be able to see them like this. Okay, so the discoloration begins from this tip and then that will extend to the lower parts. So this is the type of discoloration. Secondly, you will see that there is delayed farming, delayed flowering. The flowering in the plant will be delayed, and you will see that the panicles will be also very small panicles. And not only small, these panicles become sterile. Okay, sterile. So that is one of the problem which the plant faces during the vegetative phase. Okay, and it actually Tungro diseases affects all phases of rice plant. Okay, affects all growth phases, but its highest problem can be seen in vegetative phase. The major attack of these diseases can be seen in vegetative phase, although it can be seen in all growth phases, but vegetative phase is the most susceptible stage, or you can say most prone stage where Tungro disease can be seen. So these are some of the symptoms of Tungro diseases. I think for 5 symptoms that will be enough. Now, how can we manage this disease? So management strategy is one of the major things we should know. So management of Tungro disease. Obviously, we will go for integrated disease management, that is IDM. Here we will use cultural methods, chemical methods, trap methods. All those things should be used. So first of all, trap methods. So in trap methods, what we do, we try to trap the leaf hopper. Okay, green leaf hopper. So here we can use light traps so that the green leaf hopper is attracted towards it and it is not on the plants that much. So trap methods can be used. Cultural methods can be used. Cultural methods can be used. So in cultural method, first of all, we can use various resistant varieties. There are various resistant varieties of rice that are resistant to Tungro diseases. Those varieties are Punmani, IR36, IR50, Surekha, Bharani. We have another Bikram Arya, Bikram Arya. So these are some of the varieties which are uh, just a second. So these are some of the varieties which are not affected by Tungro diseases. That is, they are resistant from Tungro diseases. So that we can do. Next, we can use various other cultural practices, such as we can change the timing of crop sowing, change timing of crop harvesting and sowing, because while the Tungro diseases in the field, the grasshopper in the fields are susceptible, which can lead to more Tungro diseases. We will change the timing. We will do either delayed sowing or early sowing, so that we can destroy the weeds, because these weeds act as a host for grasshopper, which or sorry, leaf hopper, not grasshopper. These acts as a host for leaf hopper, which can later host those or become the vector of those Tungro viruses. So this can be done. We can either use chemical methods also. Chemical methods can be used. Various chemicals such as phenthean can be used. We can use potassium nitrate. Okay, right, potassium nitrate. I am not sure about the formula. Weak in chemistry, obviously. So potassium nitrate can be used. Okay, we can use mancozeb. So these are the various chemical methods which can be used. So mancozeb and other things, there are various insecticides only to control leaf hopper. So these chemicals can be very useful. So this is how we can manage the Tungro diseases. So that is all. You can now conclude here your answer, and you can write simple conclusion, simple and positive conclusion as per you, how this management of this can enhance rice yields and other things can be written. So this is all for today. I hope you understand all the three parts of the question. So if you like it, please press the like button. Please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.